Money Incorporated against Demolition.
On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 486 pounds, Minor Young Sheik and the $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase.
Guys, we're getting the night started with an amazing matchup here. You're absolutely right, Cole. In fact, I don't think there's a better way to start this night than with this match right here.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 571 pounds, Smash and Axe Demolition.
Corey, I can't think of a better way to kick off this night. I don't know. Part of me hoped Saxton would have got lost on the way to the announce table. That definitely would have made things better. But no such luck. Big-time tag team match underway here.
All the budding tag teams out there hoping to one day make it to the big stage. Better be watching this match with a notepad in hand, because you can bet this is going to be a lesson in how it's done.
The fist has been dropped. What a stomp. Good grief.
Irish whip. Oh, nasty impact. To the back of the neck. Scottish sickle. And set him up. Oh, the knee to the face.
That's going to hurt.
Axe handle finds its target.
Oh, my. You gotta believe this one's over.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. Heading into this match, he and his partner look extremely confident.
It's no secret that quick tags lead to success in the tag team division. And I'd say the quicker he can make that tag here, the better their chances of winning will be.
This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guys. And you can bet he envisioned things going much differently for him heading into this match.
Look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Out the arm. Nailed it.
Tag team history was made when the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions were crowned at Backlash 2016. The unlikely duo of Rhino and Heath Slater caught lightning in a bottle and ran through the tag team title tournament. In the finals, Rhino and Slater took on the Usos to see which team would be the inaugural Tag Team Champions.
There was a lot on the line in the tag team tournament finals. The Usos wanted to add another tag team title reign to the resume and enjoyed the recognition of being the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The team of Rhino and Heath Slater was the team no one expected to be in the finals. Slater had extra motivation because he was fighting for a WWE contract.
And at one point, it seemed like the Usos had everything well in hand, but Rhino and Heath Slater refused to lose. After a gore from Rhino practically cut Jimmy Uso in half, Rhino and Heath Slater went from an unlikely tag team to the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions. Never say never in WWE is absolutely right.
Bringing it back into the ring.
Oh, man!
In May of 2017, SmackDown Live saw an incredible women's tag team match when Charlotte Flair and Becky Lynch squared off against welcoming committee members Natalya and Carmella. The rivalry between these women got so intense that Naomi was in Flair and Lynch's corner, and Tamina was in Natalya and Carmella's corner.
Oh, and Enziguri. I think only a group as treacherous as the welcoming committee could bring Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair back together. Natalya's power set the tone for the match and gave her team an advantage. That was until Carmella's overconfidence let the Irish lass kicker turn the tide and get back into the match. And then it was elementary from there for the Irish-born superstar.
Naomi did an excellent job of making sure any quote-unquote committee nonsense cost her girls the match. Once Becky Lynch got Carmella locked in a disarmor, there was nothing for the Staten Island Princess to do but to tap out. And it didn't take long for that to happen.
When a superstar is in a tag team match and has endured heavy amounts of punishment, they must find a way back to their corner to tag their partner. Something that they have to try is doing create separation between them and their opponent. That space gives a superstar the ability to move and catch their breath.
Tagged in. Corey, you touched on this before. Part of a tag team's ability to be successful is their ability to endure punishment and make their way to their partner when they need to tag out. One way to do that is to create that separation you spoke of so they have some space to gather themselves and time to make their way back to the corner.
You're absolutely right, Michael. What's the use of having a tag team partner if you're not able to get to them when you got to tag out of the match? Getting that separation is key in breaking any momentum your opponents could have, may be the difference between a win and a loss. Maybe even more. Wow, here comes the $1 Million Man. Oh. In a tag team contest, a superstar and partner lock up against another duo. Unless there's a special stipulation added to the match, the traditional rules of a singles match apply in terms of winning the match via pinfall, submission, countout, or disqualification.
Scoop slam. Setting up in the middle.
Oh! but he's got to capitalize now.
In a standard tag team match, one competitor is in the ring against an opponent, and their teammate is in their corner standing on the ring apron. I should also point out that he's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Headlock. Oh, cheap shot right above the eye.
In off the tag.
What a stomp. Good grief. He looks absolutely exhausted. At this point, his confidence has to be at zero.
He's running on fumes.
Uh-oh. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
He might have... Ooh, what impact.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
Beautiful technique.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Comes up big with a reversal. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
I think we know what this is.
Powerbomb!
And there it is, boys.
Now that got those shoulders on the mat. One, two, three. They got it. And here's another peek at the moves he saw in that match.
Who could forget this? He ain't messing around. This was another great moment. And last but not least,
Here are your winners, Smash and Axe Demolition.
Now that's eking out a win.
tag teams beware. These two guys are legit.
Social media has been buzzing over this Raw match ever since it began, and now that it's over, I actually anticipate it intensifying.